Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Money Shark channel and welcome if you're new here. We make videos on how to make money online. In today's video, we are teaching you a brand new money making method and a fun one too. If you enjoy listening to music or just love music in general and you want to earn money by doing what you love, then you clicked on the right video. Imagine making $400 or more every day by doing what you enjoy the most. We are going to teach you how to properly do this so that you can earn money immediately. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss a thing. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first thing that you need to do is make a PayPal account because that is going to be your payment method, which means this is where your employer is going to send you your earnings. Now, if you already have a PayPal account, then that's good. But if you don't, then just go on paypal.com, sign up, and then boom, you already have a PayPal account. Nothing complicated, but make sure that you have an account already. PayPal also has a mobile app so you can keep track if anyone sends money to your account, and it's very much convenient in that way because then you can also do transfers or maybe pay through your PayPal, so there's a lot that you can do. Once you're done with that, we can then move on to our next step. Next step is to open a brand new tab and type in radioearn.com. This is what should show up on your screen. From the name itself, that answers the question if you can actually earn by listening. This website does exactly that. You will get paid by listening on the radio. Isn't that amazing? This website is available to anyone from anywhere in the world. This is what you're going to have to see next. As you can see, it says earn alone or with your website with listening radio. Pretty cool, right? If you click learn more, then it will bring you a little bit lower into the page. You'll then see how it works. First, you sign up, and then you sign in, and then you start radio or use API, and then earn and then pay out. That's basically all you need to do. Now let's get into making this work. If you scroll more, you'll see the features that this website offers. There's high compatibility, best placed ads, style your radio, detailed statistics, and API. Simple system, and earn and payout. These are what you'll see in the part of their features, and they each have their own description, so you can go ahead and read those descriptions so that you'll understand how they work and what they are exactly. Then if you scroll down again, you'll see some frequently asked questions that have answers, of course, and maybe if you had any that are similar to these ones right here, then you can read through these facts so that your questions will be answered. Then we scroll down again, and right here you will find the website's live statistics. As you can see, they have about 400k members, 400 listeners, and have already paid about $2 million. Now that's a lot. This website is so fun. They even have a map that shows how many people are listening and where they're from exactly, and that's pretty cool. Now that we've done a run through of the page, let's go ahead and sign up. Find the sign up button in the upper right of your screen and click that. Then go ahead and fill up all of the sign up details being asked. Just fill that up like normal, and then once that's complete, click register to submit, and there you have it. Piece of cake, right? Then once you've created an account, you're going to be asked to log in again to officially activate your account, and there you go. Now this is what you should see on your screen after that process. You'll see the radio analytics, which would be your earnings in the last days. This is where you will find it. You'll see your points over here and your money. On this website, you are paid per 15 minutes of listening to music. Once you've complied with the 15-minute listening, you will then earn points, and in those points, you can convert them into cash, which is gonna be the money that you will be making. Before you start listening and earning, you need to fill up your payment details first, or else you won't get any earnings. So go over here and click settings so you can fill up your payment information and make sure to complete all of that. Once that is done, you can start listening and earning. To start listening, you need to be right here on Listen Radio, and then you can then choose from any of the radios over here. Click on that and boom, you'll be redirected to a brand new tab, and then from there, you should be able to start listening and start getting paid. Once you've finished 15 minutes of listening, you will right away see the progress you've made and etc. The good thing about this job is that you can listen to it anywhere and everywhere and do anything while you're doing this. You can be sleeping, eating, playing, cleaning. It doesn't matter at all because you can do this job no matter what. That's basically it for our first website. Let's now move on to our next website. Our next website is called Cash for Minutes. As you can see on our screen, it says, get paid for making calls. Cash for Minutes is a unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts. There have been over £11 million already paid out since the year 2014, and there are about 111,700 users active, and more are still coming in. If you scroll down again, you will be shown the website's awesome features like global access, new numbers, speedy payment, and refer a friend. Like always, they have their own description, so you can read those if you want to have a better understanding of these features. First, you're going to need to sign up by clicking this button right here. Go ahead and fill up the details being asked. Once you're all done and signed up, they will send you an email confirmation, so make sure that you go ahead and check that out. Once you've confirmed your email, you're going to be brought to this page right here where you're going to log in again, and then log in, and then you'll be brought over here. This page is basically just explaining what Cash for Minutes is, what it does, and how it works, and what you're supposed to do to start earning. Note that all of this information is very important for you to better understand the whole concept of this website, and it's better that you brief yourself, so make sure that you read through all of these T and C's. Basically, this website will provide the numbers that you need to call so you can earn. So make sure that you prepare your payment details and complete it by going here. Also, you can find the test numbers over here, so go on there and then you can do it. Connect your number to your Cash for Minutes account by also doing that through the settings option. Once you're good to go, then you're all set to try out this method right here and start earning. Next website is hitpredictor.com. In this website, you're going to rate the quality of songs and predict what could be the next hit, as you can see here. It's just like the first website that we've discussed, but here, you're going to need to rate the music, and in that way, you can earn. Again, you can do this while doing absolutely anything else, so it's a very convenient way for you to earn money. First step is to always sign up for an account, just like what we're doing. Once you are in your account, you can click the bright orange button that you will find at the top of the page, which says Rate Music, and then you can start rating music right away. You earn gift cards here, but that is still so cool because you can order from Amazon using those earnings. At least you won't have to spend any more of your own money to do any online shopping. The last website is Music X-Ray. Through this website, you still earn from listening to music just like the first website. Also, this website offers you a lot more job opportunities pertaining to music, as you can see on our screen. Now, once you've gone through the whole page, go ahead and sign up. Start listening and start earning. It's as easy as that. Don't forget to always provide your payment information so that your doing will be credited and you will earn. If you try all of these websites out together, then you will most definitely make a decent amount of money. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. and make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.